Okay, let's be real for a second. You are trying to pay off your education loan faster and want to be debt-free, right? You're cutting costs, adjusting your budgets, and ready to pay most of your salary as EMI. But hold on for a second. What if you're repaying your education loan faster? Not to be the smartest move, you can actually use the smart prepayment tricks to save both money and time. Surprised? Yeah, I was too. So before you go full speed ahead with your repayment plans, learn about these available options. Follow along and I will reveal all the options that might help you come up with a better repayment plan. Education loans are taken as a burden because it has that loan word in them, and students decide on the early repayment options even before they withdraw the amount. But don't assume things. Even if that's your plan, choose the longest repayment term your bank offers. Why? Because the future is very uncertain. A longer tenure gives you that financial safety and reduces stress. Play it smart. So, let's get started with the advantages and disadvantages of early repayments. Paying your loan faster means you save lakhs on interest rates. This is extra money you can invest in your future plans. Sounds great, right? But hold on. There is another side of the coin. When you repay your loan early, you miss out on these benefits. Number 1, tax benefits. Under Section 80E, you can claim tax deductions of up to 4 to 5 lakhs on your loan interest. But if you repay early, you lose all these benefits. Want to know more? Check out the link in the description. Number 2, missing investment opportunities. Putting most of your salary towards EMIs might leave you with little to save or invest for emergencies. Investment often yield higher returns than the investment rate on your loan. By focusing solely on repayment, you could miss out on these early investment benefits. Whatever you choose, remember that you won't miss out on savings and extra cash. Still confused? Here's a smart plan for you. Don't use all your extra cash on EMIs every month. Instead, split it into 2 parts. Save half in your savings account and use it for an extra payment at the year end, which also includes your yearly interest. Invest the other half in a SIP to grow your money and use the returns to pay off a bigger amount later. This way, you're saving, investing, and reducing your loan all at once. Win-win from both sides. Early education repayment, however, makes the applicant debt-free. You can focus on the other goals like buying a house or planning a retirement. Plus, early repayments also help boost your CIBIL score and lower your fixed obligations income ratio, in short FOIR. What's FOIR, you ask? FOIR is the ratio of your monthly obligations like education loan EMIs to your income. Banks use this to decide how much loan they can give you. This is great. But remember, early repayment means you miss out on some other options. When you pay off your loan quickly, you might lose on access to income-driven repayments or IDR. So what exactly is IDR? IDR is a repayment plan that adjusts your EMI based on your income. Let's understand it using an example. Neha, an Indian student, takes a 30 lakh rupees loan for her masters in the US. After graduating, she lands a job paying $4,000 per month, around 3 lakh rupees. A fixed EMI would strain her finances because her salary is modest as per US living standards. But with IDR, she pays just 10% of her monthly income, which is around 30,000 rupees. It's manageable as her salary increases over time. Her repayment amount adjusts proportionally, allowing her to clear the debt faster as she earns more. Additionally, banks may forgive the remaining loan balance after the repayment tenure ends. Look, there's no more correct answer here. Everyone's financial situation is different. Early repayment might sound great, but it can empty your pockets. Therefore, take time to evaluate your options, weigh them, and decide what feels right to you. Whether you decide to go full speed ahead or take it slow, just make sure you're managing your money. Here's a quick recap of the pros and cons. If you choose early repayment, here's what you gain. Save lakhs on the interest rate, becomes debt-free, and can focus on the other goals. Boosts your CIBIL score, lowers your FOIR fixed obligations income ratio, but you might miss out on lose tax benefits under Section 80E, miss potential investment opportunities with higher returns. Forego flexible repayment plans like IDR. Whatever you choose, weigh these points carefully before making a decision. Sit down, take a moment, run the numbers, and figure out what works best for your situation. Clearing your debt isn't just about the speed. It's about balancing your finances like a champ. Need help in figuring out the EMI? check out the Gyandhan EMI calculator. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, we are here to help you navigate your study abroad journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.